Alright, after completing the incline support, chapter 2.1, go to File, New, we're in English inches, ANSI, IDW, Create. Go to Base View, and if it comes up with a cube like this, you can just maneuver this around as such, drop it in place, and I'm going to increase this scale. I'm going to try 2.5, and I think we'll go with that. Hit OK. Left click, I'm just going to bring these over and up, maybe bring that out. OK. Go to Annotate, go to Center Mark, this circle, go to Bisector here, and click that hidden line and this one. Come over here, click the second hidden line, and again, that corner and the top of that circle happened to be here, so I would click that one and drop that center mark in. Go to your dimension command, click the bottom, click the center line, come over. OK. Select this side, this center mark, come down. OK. Touch the outside of the circle, drop that in. I'm going to put my overall height here, my thickness here, overall length will go here. This corner to that corner straight up, this surface straight up. I'm going to come here, select this line, come down, line it up with this one, make it look good. Hit OK. Click the bottom, click this line, come over. Click this line and this line. And you can click bottom line and that corner, come over there. And let's see, we're making sure we got everything here. 3, got all of that. We need to locate this corner here. Drop it in, and you're done with dimensioning here. Come over to the title block. Again, go to Annotate. Now, if you're watching these videos back to back, it's going to be redundant, but select the inside of this, type in your name, highlight, drop down, hit OK. Click in here, type in chapter 2.1, highlight it, drop down, OK. Come over here, type in material, colon space, carbon steel, highlight, drop down, hit OK. Hit escape twice. I'm going to zoom in, hold down my left mouse, and center these up, and that should take care of chapter 2.1.